right now. We're in Catalina shooting a super cool, super secret video that's not that secret, but it's cool. That might be why today's video is a little bit late. 100% worth it though.
So last month, Filtergrade asked us to shoot our very first filmmaking tutorial on travel films. And guess what, guys? It's finally out. But that's not this video. You'll have to go to Filtergrade's YouTube channel for the actual tutorial. Instead, I wanted to cut together a little behind the scenes from the shoot and take you along as we made our first ever travel film. After 2 of us pulled all-nighters, we hopped on a pre-dawn boat to Catalina. We were pretty delirious.
We've been talking about Twilight for how long now?
Too long.
That's our friend Sam. He volunteered to help us on the shoot. I think he regrets it. We worked our way down a planned shot list, modifying as we went.
But I'm gonna run, and so you're gonna need to sort of run to choose. Okay.
Then we got hungry.
I ate and I slept. Y'all did not.
Around midday when the light was bad, during what Chloe likes to call the garbage hours, Chloe and I did an aerial course.
Why am I spinning? I made a mistake! Woo!
Very sweaty, and my fingers hurt from holding. Oh my god, they're like shaking. Good save!
It's telling me that I have to jump down.
Not jump, just let yourself fall to your death. It's not a big deal. It's fine. It's fine.
I paid money for this.
You paid money for this, and now you gotta do it, or else you live here. I love how like in a couple of years we've gone from couch potatoes to apparently like we're thrill seekers now. We're rock climbing, we're doing these aerial courses, and now we're like, why not just go ziplining? Let's just do it over a canyon.
Then we rented some bikes. And then I learned that Chloe doesn't like bikes.
Cut.
This was followed by some shenanigans.
This is not the plan, Your Highness. Faster. You are not allowed to climb this rock. It's not permitted. You're gonna die. Let's cut to be climbing a rock.
And then I climbed some rocks. We didn't shoot the part where I almost couldn't climb back down. Finally, we needed a great establishing shot of the island, and I don't have a drone, so we had to get creative.
So we just climbed down the entire island.
Mountainside. There's no steps. There's only dirt.
There's like, the only thing resembling steps is like the well-worn dirt where people have trespassed before us.
Yeah.
So
It was very vertical.
yeah.
But luckily, we nailed the shot. Head to Filtergrade's YouTube channel to see the finished video. But first, smash that like button down below and subscribe if you haven't already. We're moving to an every other week upload schedule, but that just means our best videos are yet to come. See you next time.
So this is what Reen's texts look like right now. We've had to do a lot of takes of the phone, okay?
Okay, good.
Also, watch me be Filtergrade from now on.